And let's go to Ethiopia now, where the government has struck a peace accord with the separatist group, the onlf. Now, the deal ends the Ogaden National Liberation Front's years-long struggle for the oil-rich Somali region. The group launched a bid for succession of the Somali region, also known as Ogaden, in eastern Ethiopia back in 1984. CGTN's Girum Chala has more.
An Ethiopian government delegation led by Foreign Affairs Minister Halkan Ka has signed a peace agreement with the Ogaden National Liberation Front (onlf) in the Eritrean capital, Asmara. Halkan says bringing armed groups together to encourage non-violent ways of resolving political disputes is an important step towards achieving national peace. It's yet another achievement by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed Ali's administration. Since taking office, he has implemented several reforms, including releasing political prisoners, and urged opposition parties to work with his government for Ethiopia's benefit. Other political factions that have answered the Premier's appeal to return home include Gimbot 7 and the Oromo Liberation Front. Analysts say the onlf's decision to lay down its weapons heralds a new era of peace in the volatile Ogaden area. Girum Chala, CGTN, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.